Today we're doing some pot and pot cooking with our poisas, stackable pans. Wagwan everyone, my name is Kunchi and this is Cooking with Kunchi. Today I'm going to be making some brown stew chicken because I've never made that for the channel before, and I'm going to try out this brand new poisas stacking pots for the Ninja FOODI, and what the goal is to cook rice in one pan and the chicken in one pan. Today I have some chicken breasts as well as some drumsticks, and why I have the drumsticks is because I haven't cooked chicken with the bone in, and you know, that's how I usually cook the chicken, with the bone in. So I just want to mix it up a little bit, give you some chicken with the bone in, do that pot and pot, and stay tuned and see how this one goes. Macarena boy. So right now I'm going to season my chicken with the dry seasonings. And of course I'm gonna use some Booyah Jamaican seasoning. Also gonna add a little red pepper flakes because why not? Allspice. And of course, my browning, right? Don't make brown stew chicken without browning. Now that I got all my seasonings and the browning in, I'm gonna mix everything together. Just rub that seasoning in there. My next step is going to be using the Sear saute function and get this chicken kind of seared a little bit. Then I'm gonna put the chicken in the pan with the seasonings to cook down. Then I'm gonna put the rice in the other pan with all the seasonings, the salt and everything. Then I'm gonna use the pressure cooker and do a natural pressure release and then quick release, and we'll see what we got from there. So right now what I'm going to do is, my chicken is already seared, so I'm going to put the chicken with the seasonings and the veggies in this pan with a little bit of water, and that's going to be one of my pans. And also I'm going to put the rice in the other pan, put both of these together, and then I'm going to work the pressure cooker. 10-minute natural pressure release. That's what's seen as NPR in the Ninja FOODI book. And now there wasn't any more pressure left, so it's just ready to get out. This rice looks amazing. Not burnt, not overcooked, not soggy. And that's using the 1-to-1 ratio in the Ninja FOODI. There's some on the bottom that's not all the way cooked. So after my 10-minute pressure cook and 10-minute natural pressure release, my rice still has a few uncooked grains in there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dump the chicken out into my FOODI pot, and I'm gonna let that cook on the Sear saute function. And while that's cooking, I'm gonna have the rice just in there on top, just finishing up, because it doesn't really need pressure cooking. It just needs a little bit more, just a little bit more cook time. And this should really finish it up. So I think another 10 minutes, cook it on high. Right now the brown stew chicken is done, the rice is done. What I did, I just gave it an extra 10 minutes on the Sear saute function, and I just rested the rice in there on top, and all those extra grains of rice that didn't get cooked in the initial pressure cook is all done. So right now we're gonna plate it. Check it out. So right now, guys, my brown stew chicken and rice is complete. To break down the entire cook, I did a 10-minute pressure cook with 10 minutes of natural pressure release. Before that, I had seared, sauteed the chicken a little bit just to get a little color on it. Then I put them in the stackable pans. The rice was not completely cooked. The chicken, the potatoes were still not cooked. So I cooked them for a further 10 minutes, sear saute, no pressure cook, and everything turned out perfectly. Looking at my beautiful meal right here, I'm gonna dive in. Thank you for watching this video today. Steps and ingredients are going to be in the description below. Don't forget to check out my Ninja FOODI series, and I'm going to drop that in the link down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.